Welcome to the fascinating world of centipede farming in China. These creatures, highly valued for their role in traditional medicine and beyond, are raised in ways that are both mysterious and intriguing. How do farmers care for these venomous critters? It's a story you won't want to miss. Centipedes have been around for over 420 million years, evolving alongside millipedes. Both belong to the Myriapoda subphylum, but centipedes stand out as predators with venomous bites, unlike the herbivorous millipedes. The name centipede comes from the Latin word centi, meaning 100, and pedes, meaning feet. Centipedes, *Scutigera coleoptera*, originated in the Mediterranean but are now found worldwide, often in human homes. They are commonly found in temperate and tropical regions, living under logs, bark, mulch, and stones. During the summer, they stay outdoors, hiding in soil or plants, but in winter, they move indoors to escape the cold, often entering through moist areas like bathrooms, sewers, or water pipes. The global lipstick market was valued at $9.76 billion in 2023, and growing interest in makeup and appearance, particularly among young women worldwide, is expected to drive its growth. Surprisingly, the average woman spends around $2,000 on lipstick over the course of her lifetime. Let's take a closer look to better understand the technology behind the lipsticks we use every day. Lipstick has a rich history that dates back over 5,000 years. In ancient Mesopotamia, women crushed semi-precious stones and mixed them with beeswax to adorn their lips. Later, Cleopatra famously used crushed beetles and ants for red pigments and added fish scales for shimmer. The first solid lipstick appeared around 936 AD, and by the 16th century, pigments fixed with alabaster were used to create lip crayons. However, lipstick faced backlash during the French Revolution, as it symbolized allegiance to the aristocracy and could lead to execution. In 18th century England, it was condemned as the devil's work, and British Parliament even passed a law against it in 1770. Despite this, figures like Queen Elizabeth I revived its popularity, wearing bold crimson shades made from kohl, which was believed to have medicinal properties. By the early 1900s, lipstick had become a symbol of women's empowerment, worn by suffragette leaders during their fight for voting rights. Over time, it grew into a cultural icon, celebrated by actresses like Elizabeth Taylor and Marilyn Monroe. After being pre-cooked, the tuna is cooled in a room with controlled temperatures to prepare it for the final cleaning step. Workers then remove the skin of the fish, followed by carefully extracting the backbone, small pin bones, and any red meat, leaving the tuna loins clean and polished. The clean skipjack loins are typically used to make chunk-light tuna, while albacore loins are used for solid white tuna. The process of cleaning tuna requires great attention to detail and a large workforce. It demands not only skill but also intense focus to ensure that each piece of meat is preserved in perfect condition. In traditional medicine, centipede ash, after being burned and mixed with herbal solutions, is often used as a paste or tea to reduce inflammation, alleviate pain, and prevent infection. The Chinese also soak centipedes in alcohol, believing that the liquor helps relieve pain, improve blood circulation, and treat issues such as joint pain and rheumatism. This type of liquor is often consumed in small amounts or applied topically to the affected area. In addition to their medicinal use, centipedes are also sought after for their unique taste, with many people curious to try this exotic ingredient. The preparation of centipedes for consumption typically involves cooking methods like frying or grilling, which help bring out their flavor and texture. Some people even dare to eat centipedes alive, despite the fact that they can squirm in your mouth. After the lipstick has fully cooled and solidified, it's ready for transfer into its signature swivel tubes. To begin, a specially designed rack is carefully positioned above the mold. This rack is equipped with precise alignments that ensure the empty tubes are perfectly lined up with the solidified lipstick, ready for transfer. And next, a high-tech turnaround machine comes into play. This machine uses a combination of gentle air bursts and small pushers designed to move the lipstick from the mold and into the tube. The air bursts are calibrated to provide just the right amount of force, ensuring the lipstick is transferred smoothly without any smudges or damage to its delicate surface. The pushers, positioned at strategic points, further assist in guiding the lipstick into the tube while maintaining its shape and integrity. The process of screwing the lipstick down is fully automated, with two main methods used for this. The first method involves robotic arms, which gently hold each lipstick and twist it down with care. This ensures that the lipstick is not damaged in the process. The second method uses rollers. The lipsticks pass through a row of automatic rollers, which grip the lipstick on both sides and twist it down smoothly. Finally, the finished product is sent out for packaging. Do you find this production process interesting? What do you think is the most important factor when choosing a lipstick? Leave your answers in the comments below so we can discuss it together. Centipedes require a damp and dark environment to thrive, so farms often create natural-like spaces with soil, dry leaves, and hiding places for them. Despite their frightening appearance, centipedes are raised by thousands of farmers in China. These creatures are regarded as treasures in traditional Chinese medicine and have become an essential part of China's pharmaceutical industry. In China, centipede farms cultivate these creatures in specially designed environments to ensure optimal living conditions. Wooden boxes or plastic trays are commonly used and placed in greenhouses where both temperature and humidity are strictly controlled. To process centipedes for medicinal use, they're typically handled by inserting a long stick through the body of the centipede, creating a straight line. This helps prevent the centipede from becoming bent during the drying process. Afterward, the centipede is dried either under the sun or in a dry environment for preservation. This process helps remove moisture, eliminate the pungent smell, and retain beneficial compounds for use in traditional Chinese medicine. Dried centipedes are widely available in China, especially in traditional medicine markets and herbal stores. With over 8,000 species, centipedes vary in size from just a few millimeters to over a foot long. Common household centipedes, belonging to the order Scutigeraomorpha, thrive in urban areas, while rarer species are found in specialized environments. For instance, the giant Amazonian centipede, Scolopendra gigantea *, can grow up to a foot in length and delivers a venomous bite. Centipedes are carnivorous creatures, with their main diet consisting of insects, worms, and earthworms. At centipede farms in China, they are often fed protein-rich foods like crickets, mealworms, cockroaches, and earthworms. Some farms also supplement their diet with raw meat, such as chopped chicken or fish, to enhance their nutrition. The reproduction process of centipedes is fascinating. The female lays eggs and coils her body around the egg nest to protect and incubate them until they hatch, a process that lasts about a month. After hatching, the mother continues to protect the young centipedes for the first few weeks of their lives. Once they're ready, farmers feed them very small prey, such as baby ants, small insect larvae, or chopped up earthworms. Centipedes require humidity to thrive, so farmers use coconut coir and sphagnum moss to maintain moisture. These materials help retain moisture, support healthy growth, and prevent mold. Centipedes also need a damp and dark environment to thrive, so farms often create natural-like spaces with soil, dry leaves, and hiding places for them.